In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Street View in Google Earth. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your project inside Google Earth, and you just want to click on it. And then from here, you want to find wherever you want to see Street View. So for example, I'm going to go to over here, and what you want to do, down here at the bottom right, you can see kind of this person button, okay? So you simply want to click on it, and then when you click on it, it's going to show you where you can position yourself. And of course, you can click anywhere, and it's going to allow you to go and view that. Or what you could also do is just click and drag, and whenever you release that specific person button, as you can see, it's going to take you over there, and you can see Street View from over here. Okay, now of course you can see more dates up top. Over here it's going to show you all the options of imagery that you have, and then when you of course want to go back to your map, you can just select this button to go back over here, and there we go, you've done it. Okay, now if you have this mode enabled, you can just go anywhere you want. So these blue lines indicate the Street View, so where it's available, you can then just position yourself anywhere, click on it, and it's going to basically take you in there, and now you're viewing the Street View of that specific place on, of course, the specific date which is specified up here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.